This housing conference is part educational opportunity, part networking event, and mostly a big family reunion.
I've attended this conference over 20 years. It's the premier conference in affordable housing in Texas.
The conference is lively, it's fast-paced. There's a great vibe, everyone is excited to be here, and it's very inclusive. There's something for everyone.
If you're in the affordable housing industry, you need to be here.
Whether you've been in this industry for a very long time or you're new to it and don't know anything at all, I think that there's something to offer there.
Get here, be present, come, surround yourself with a sphere of influence of like-minded people who are ready to put in the work to make affordable housing continue to be exceptional and available for all.